Welcome back to the Auto Snuff channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the new 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series II. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss an update. Building upon the success of its predecessor, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series II introduces subtle yet impactful design refinements. The iconic Pantheon grille now features illumination, flanked by redesigned rectangular headlights with L-shaped LED strips, imparting a modern flair to the vehicle's distinguished front fascia. The front bumper has been reimagined with slanted air intakes forming a V-shape, reminiscent of a yacht's bow, enhancing its commanding presence on the road. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series II continues to epitomize luxury. A full-width glass panel now adorns the dashboard, seamlessly integrating the digital gauge cluster and center touchscreen, which runs Rolls-Royce's latest infotainment system, Spirit. The cabin introduces new materials, including gray-stained ash trim and a rayon fabric crafted from bamboo called Duality Twill, offering a fresh aesthetic while maintaining the brand's commitment to unparalleled craftsmanship. Rear passengers benefit from enhanced entertainment options, with the ability to connect multiple streaming devices to the rear screens, each capable of independent streaming. And the inclusion of an 18-speaker sound system ensures an immersive audio experience. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series II retains its formidable twin-turbo 6.7-liter V12 engine, delivering 563 horsepower in the standard model, and an increased 592 horsepower in the Black Badge variant. This power plant, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, ensures a driving experience that is both effortless and exhilarating, embodying the brand's hallmark magic carpet ride quality. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series II is available for order, with deliveries expected to commence by the end of the year. While official pricing details have yet to be confirmed, it is anticipated that the Series II will command a premium over the previous model's starting price of approximately $391,750, reflecting its enhanced features and bespoke options. In summary, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series II elevates the luxury SUV segment with its meticulous design updates, advanced interior amenities, and unwavering commitment to performance, ensuring its place as the preferred choice for discerning clientele seeking the epitome of automotive excellence. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.